In this video, you'll learn how to create segments in Mailchimp, a powerful way to filter and target specific groups of your audience. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. On the left-hand side, click on Audience. Then, from the submenu, select Segments. Now, click on the Create Segment button. You'll see a pop-up window titled Segment Builder. This is where you define your segment rules. Let's try our first example, filtering by email domain. Click to select the field and choose email address. Next, set the condition to Contains. This allows Mailchimp to match part of the email address with the value we enter. In the input box, type @lset.uk. Then click on Review Segment. Mailchimp will now analyze your list based on that domain. As we can see, the result is 0, meaning no contacts with @lset.uk. Email addresses are currently in our audience. Now let's try another example, segmenting by location. This time, we'll look for subscribers located in the UK. Select the field Predicted Location. Set the condition to Is in Country. From the drop-down list, choose United Kingdom. Click on Review Segment. After scanning, Mailchimp shows we have 29 contacts from the UK. Let's save this useful segment. Click Use Segment. Now give your segment a name, for example, UK Audience. Then click Save and Exit. Your new segment is now visible in the list. Click on it anytime to see the contacts who meet that criteria. Let's see one more example, this time using tags. Choose Tag as the field. Set the condition to Contact is tagged. From the list, select a tag, for instance, AI Expert Series. Click Review Segment to see matching contacts. As you can see, Mailchimp shows you the filtered list. Click Use Segment, name it, and save it just like before. That's it. You now know how to create powerful, targeted segments in Mailchimp using email domains, locations, and tags. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being with us.